Many countries have come up with different megaprojects, either individual or collaborative, that have caused a paradigmatic shift in the infrastructural and trade relations globally. Skyscrapers are reaching new record heights, huge tunnels are establishing new transportation connections, and colossal bridges are spanning greater distances than ever before. In this video, we are going to discuss world's biggest projects that record. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. South-North Water Transfer Project, China. China is the world's most populous nation, home to almost 1.5 billion people. Nearly 50% of the population lives in the north of the country, but the region contains only 20% of China's water resources. With such a massive population to support, China is in the process of building 3 enormous canals, each more than 600 miles long, to supply water to the north. To say the project is complex is a bit of an understatement, as the time horizon for completion is expected to be 48 years. Once finished, the nearly $80 billion project will supply residents of the north with 44.8 billion cubic meters of water every year. Japan's Chuo Shinkansen project. Despite being filled with mountains, Japan is one of the most well-connected countries in the world with its ingenious railway operation. This part of the nation's infrastructure emerged after the Second World War, and it has a spotless record of 60 years of zero accidents. Japan's new mega-project is to revolutionize the speed train concept by introducing the maglev bullet train known as Shinkansen in Japanese. These high-tech trains run with minimal friction, so that the speed can increase up to about 603 kilometers per hour. This project started being executed in 2014, and it is estimated to cost about $90 billion. Dover Metro Line, Qatar. Red, blue, green, and gold signify the colors of the ambitious Dover Metro Line, currently under construction in Qatar. Over the course of the project, Doha will add more than 131 miles of light rail track and eventually hopes to reach 100 stations. About 60 stations are under construction now. At a peak of over 60 miles per hour, Doha expects to showcase the fastest driverless trains in the world as the new line opens in phases between 2019 and 2016. California's high-speed railway. The construction of California's high-speed rail began in 2015 and is expected to be completed in 2029. It will connect 8 of the state's 10 largest cities, stretching from San Diego in the south to San Francisco in the north. The project will be completed in 2 phases. Phase 1 will link Los Angeles to San Francisco, and Phase 2 will connect San Diego and Sacramento. The train would be fully autonomous, operated entirely by renewable energies, and capable of reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. Madinat Al Hariri, Silk City, Kuwait. Planned as a solution to the twin issues of overpopulation and overloaded infrastructure in Kuwait, the proposed city Madinat Al Hariri, Silk City, is the centerpiece of the new Kuwait 2035 program, designed to wean the country off its dependence on oil and better link the Arab Gulf to Europe and Asia. Currently budgeted at $132 billion, Silk City is one of the biggest and most expensive builds in the world. But it is just a small portion of the $1 trillion currently being invested in Gulf region infrastructure. Gotthard Base Tunnel, Switzerland. A new world's longest and deepest rail tunnel cuts through the mountains in Switzerland. Construction went on for nearly 20 years, but the Gotthard Base Tunnel inside the Swiss Alps finally opened in 2016, moving rail cars of passengers and freight between Zurich, Switzerland, and Milan, Italy. At 35 miles long and dipping about 7,500 feet below the mountain peaks above it, the Gotthard Base Tunnel eliminates the need for winding mountainous routes by offering the first flat-track route through the Alps. Buffalo Bills Stadium, New York. In August, ahead of the expiration of its lease to play home games at Highmark Stadium in Orchard Park, New York, the NFL's Buffalo Bills submitted a plan to the city of Buffalo for a new $1.4 billion, 60,000-seat stadium to be built by 2027. according to the AP. Possible locations for the new stadium include the Bills' current site, directly replacing the Highmark Stadium, or a new site in downtown Buffalo, yet to be determined. If constructed at the Bills' current site, the new stadium would be the 11th most expensive ever built. In downtown Buffalo, it would be third most expensive at $2.1 billion. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.